Hi, I'm Stuart from SLB Leadworks and welcome to the next video. Let's go and have a look, see what it's all about. So I'm back on my roof again today. Just have an update of what's been done since you saw it last. So since the last roof update video, the ridge has now been put on the back. It looks so much better now that's on. I'm really pleased to see that. As yet, nothing else has happened with the dormer. I've just been so busy, I just haven't had a chance to get here. I've been working on other projects, but I'm hoping within the next week or two I should be able to get that done, if not before. I can't wait to lead it. A few more courses of tiles have started to come around this curve now. I'm really pleased with how this is looking. It's looking really good. Can't wait to see that completely finished. I think we're getting to the point now where we're going to start needing some soakers because we're starting to lose the bond, but I'll talk to the roof tiler when he gets here. Hopefully he should be here in probably the next 10 minutes, probably see him drive up there in a minute. So the curve's coming on quite nicely. The ridge has also been put on the front now as well, so that's looking nice and tidy. And the leadworks to the chimney has been pointed as well. So in today's video, what I'm hoping to do is I'm hoping between myself and the tiler that we can come away from that chimney, work our way all the way back. And I'd love to get this dormer all tiled in as well. So that's what I'd like to do. But I don't know how much work that is. I don't think it's that unachievable. But I'll speak to the tiler when he gets here. And if we've got any time left, it'd be nice to start doing a few more courses around this curve as well. Okay, the roof tiler's here now. We've had a little conversation and yeah, I'm going to start working my way back from that chimney. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove that black plastic in a minute and then start tiling away from the chimney. Then hopefully today we'll be able to get that ridge on as well, so we can get it all nicely back in the dry. So I've worked my way from the chimney now as far as I can go. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to get all this dormer tiled in. The roof is just working his way around that curve. And once we've done that, what we can do then is get the dry ridge system through there. Well, I've managed to nearly get this dormer tiled in. Just got a little bit left to do where I'm standing. And some more cuts to do up the hip. The dry ridge system is through as well now, so that's all nicely in the dry. But what I think I'm going to do is wrap this video up here because it's getting quite late. So that's the roof another step closer to completion. So I'm getting there slowly. Hopefully a few more weeks and it'll all be done. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You can check me out on Instagram at SLB Leadworks. For inquiries, you can email slbleadworks@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. Hopefully catch you in the next. Cheers.